Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back to Watchcastage. My name is Bandrew, and I am back with another unboxing for you. I have to get these unboxed so I can start wearing them and gear up for a review. You already know what this watch is based on the title, quickly where it's made. The movement is made in the Philippines, the band or bracelet is made in China, and it is assembled in the Philippines. So let's go ahead and open this up. We get the standard Timex box, nothing fancy there. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open and see what we got. And there we go. We have the new Timex Waterbury Quartz GMT with the Pepsi bezel. And it's also bronze or gold on the bezel and on the crown, and then you have the center link switcher. It's so gaudy, I absolutely love it. Let's set the watch aside for a second. You do get that watch cushion, and you get 2 pieces of documentation, nothing else in the box. Let's go ahead and put that aside and zoom in on the watch. Let's go ahead and take off the stickers on this. Now let's go ahead and see how heavy this thing is. I have not sized it up. Let's go ahead and throw it right on here. 143 grams on the bracelet. As far as diameter, we're looking at just over 39 millimeters, so a really nice sizing there. Let's go ahead and see the lug to lug. Doesn't look like we have any real issues with the protruding center links. That is very nice. Go ahead and see what we have in terms of measurement here. 47 and almost 47.5 millimeters. Really a nice sizing there as well. The thickness on this comes in at 12.75 millimeter. 12.75 millimeters, we'll go with that. And the lugs appear to be 20 millimeters. So as far as the sizing of this, that is a pretty great set of dimensions. I do think it's a little bit thick, but I don't think that'll be any real issue. Now let's look at the second hand, and to me, it looks like this second hand is doing a pretty good job hitting the markers. It does get a little bit off, as pretty much every single quartz watch does, unless you go for a Casio Oceanus or I imagine a Grand Seiko. But for a $200 quartz watch, it does appear to be hitting most of the markers with a little bit of variance. If you want to know about the basic functionality, the first position is a quick set date, but it's a little bit strange because you can go forward and backwards. I have never seen that on any date wheel. That is new to me. The second position is your standard time set for a 3-hander, and it does have hacking. And the button here will progress the GMT hand forward by 30 minutes, it appears, so you can get pretty granular and get the half hours as well. The bezel is a unidirectional bezel, and it has quite a bit of give to it. Let me go ahead and I will put this right up to the microphone and rotate it so you can hear it. So a pretty decent sounding bezel. It's not terrible. I am pretty happy with that. A little bit more play than I would like, and it is a little bit grimy feeling. Maybe not grimy, but grindy. I should also note that the bracelet is going to be a pin system. You can see the arrows telling you which way to push them out. So it is that. The clasp does have Timex printed on it, so you get a little bit more fanciness going on there. It is a push button deployant, and when you open it up, there you go, it opens up like that, and it is a pressed clasp. Not the greatest feeling clasp, but it functions well enough, and I think that's pretty much it. Perhaps I should throw this on my wrist, eh? And here is how the watch looks on my 18 centimeter wrist, all sized up. There you go. And I'm actually really thrilled with this because this is the only real affordable GMT with the 4th hand that I've owned. The only other GMT quote unquote is the Casio World Time, and that's a digital watch. I don't know if you'd classify that as a GMT, but I'm really excited to wear this and get a bunch of use out of it. And I thought it would be fun to get the gold center link. It's a little bit gaudy, a little bit goofy, but if you've seen my channel, you know I also have the golden calculator watch, and I love that thing. So I wanted to be a little bit ostentatious without the price tag associated with that. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. Just a quick down and dirty unboxing and walkthrough of it. Really excited to wear this. Let me know if you want to see this reviewed sooner rather than later, because normally it takes me months to get around to it, because I try to wear every single watch for a couple of weeks before reviewing it. And if you found this interesting or helpful, thumbs up, hated it, thumbs down, and I will see you on a later date, or I will see you then, whatever the I love you man quote is. Okay, bye.